Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
Bodycam footage shows officers responding to a neighbor's call about a loud disturbance. When officers arrive, the suspect appears agitated and starts shouting. An officer tries to calm him down, but the suspect makes a sudden aggressive move. In the heat of the moment, the officer throws a punch, forcing the suspect to the ground. The suspect keeps yelling, and neighbors gather around, filming and reacting. Officers quickly put the suspect in handcuffs and call for backup to secure the scene. Watch until the end to see how the suspect responds after being detained.
Down here.
I went to drop off my keys and I grabbed my bag.
Okay, well hang on.
He just needed his backpack.
Okay, that's not what we're being told.
Hey, brother. All I came up here for is his backpack.
With him?
And that's it.
Yes, because they would
That
have
was all.
Okay. Do me a favor, just wait right over there in the corner for me.
No, I'm Gucci.
In the corner, man.
I am in the corner.
No, the corner's over there, further over.
I'm in the corner.
1932. I'm at the
Please believe me.
southwest corner of the building, right off of the elevator.
Yeah, you right
that
here.
would have been in there.
Your
Huh?
little boy right here, though. You're about to come up the elevator. You'll see him. Look, he about to come too. Look, your supervisor too. Oh my God, everybody. 4 cars deep. Oh, your boy. Hey. You care about none of these little boys. You have to wait for the elevator because the boy just came up. Yes, ma'am. That's what's up. All right, y'all gotta wait. Hello?
He was with him. Handle this guy first.
Yeah, I am. I'm in the target.
I'm catching down real quick, if you don't mind.
Hey, I got a knife right here. So please believe me.
So what's going on?
Nothing, I just honestly came back to drop her keys off. She has her keys. I grabbed my stuff, and my friend
There's 4 of us up here. We're good.
My friend is waiting for me downstairs, so she's gonna take me back to where she stays.
Have a seat right there, but well, one second, all right? Have a seat.
But I need to sit in the corner.
Makes us feel comfortable.
Boy.
Have a seat, have a seat.
Oh, yeah, you are smart.
Have a seat. Guess what? I ain't gonna ask you again. Have a seat. All the way down, all the way down.
Dude, no. Dude, they told you to sit your ass down. Sit down. See what happens? See what happens?
Get in there. Get in there. Get his arms back. I got him. Got him? I got him. Hold on. Watch this arm right here. Get his right arm. Get his right arm. I got his left. Okay, I'm on you. Yeah, I feel. I'm on you. Okay.
Turn around. Hold on. Turn around. Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on your head. Spread your legs.
Gotcha.
Sit back down. Hey. Oh, you know?
Make sure you pat him
I
down.
know you're beautiful. Guess what?
Yeah, we do.
What's so funny? Is
We pat him
that you didn't need to put all that force on me. Huh?
Roll him over.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Guess what? You a pussy boy.
Stay on your
Got
side,
these
man.
big
Pussy boy. Feel good putting your hands on me while I'm subdued? Disturbing the neighbors. Because y'all some pussies?
Alright. Just leave me.
Oh, of course. Leave me, goddammit.
Now you're tough.
Of course, leave me.
Now you're tough.
Where do you live, man?
Y'all some pussies.
Wait till we contact them.
Real tough, man. Real tough. I didn't hear it.
Yeah. All right. Take off your badge. You take off your vest. Take off everything. Goddammit. Do it.
Right now.
Do it.
One chain, nothing.
Do it.
One chain.
I will leave your life where it
I
needs to
came
be.
back with him, so
What's
I
the last
got a
one?
little protection.
Where it needs to be.
What's the last one?
Where it needs to be.
And I just asked for my backpack.
Yeah, you a pussy boy too.
What's it called?
You a pussy boy too. You a pussy boy.
I'm on fire now.
What's that boy?
Should I give him a hug?
You need to. You wanna give me a hug? You wanna give me a real hug?
Nope, but I would like you.
So quit playing with me, boy.
Well, that's not very nice to say.
So quit being a bitch.
You had your chance.
All y'all had a bitch. Oh yeah, y'all is hard. Y'all got badges on.
306, can you just run him on 6 for me? Or
No,
run him on
good.
no.
Put
Run
your
him on
hands on me
hot.
with
I'm
6
dedicated
ounces.
just anyway.
Sure
I'm
that's
dedicated.
what I'm
Did they clear? They
handling.
clear hot, right?
I'll run.
You definitely. I will eat you like a snack, boy. And then you wussy piss.
All talk.
Take these cups off. Take these cups off. Take them off. Take them off. Take your badge off. Take your vest off. Take everything off. Do it. Do it.
Robert.
Because y'all some pussies.
There's only 4.
You too.
There's only
You
4.
feel good talking in front of this stick, don't you?
Sit your ass down.
You feel good, don't you?
Chest down. Stay down.
I bet you would. I bet you would.
Keep him just
You
like
feel
that.
good, don't you? Feel good, don't you? Fuck off.
Knock it off.
You feel good?
Hell yeah.
You'll be alright, man.
I feel awesome.
We'll treat you with
Hey,
respect.
take it off.
There you go.
Take it off.
We'll treat you with respect. We got you.
You came to protect me over this.
We got you. It's alright, man.
Fuck out of
We won't let you hurt yourself.
You ain't gonna hurt me. You gonna hurt yourself.
We won't let you hurt
You
yourself.
can't hurt nothing like me.
There you go.
Are you supposed to be here? That's not what I asked you.
He asked me to help him come up here, get his bag, and that was it.
It's okay. Nobody talked to you.
Are you supervisor? Let me see your stripes.
You got your eyes open?
Let me see.
Right here. Look around right here.
Your stripes ain't shit.
Oh, that's
I
why
give
you
you
want
a
to
5 stripe, bitch.
Because this guy cocks his gun, and then I come downstairs, I ask him
You
to
ain't
come up
nothing.
with me.
Look,
And
tiny
then
tight.
he knocks on the door.
He asked me to come up here and help him protect himself from him.
That's what I need.
None of y'all
I
is
hard to
shit.
believe it was calm.
Oh yeah, because y'all got a bag. Yeah, you too.
It's nice to hear you yelling
You
all
feel
the way
pretty
down.
too?
Like I said,
So what's not
I bet
calm?
you do.
listen, sir, like I told you, I was aggravated, I was mad.
Yep.
Because
What are you doing, man?
And yet you still come back
Yeah,
the second
I bet.
time after you pulled the gun on your
No,
eye.
bet.
no, because I had to give him.
But you still came back
I
the
ran
second time.
because he had a
Fuck out of
gun.
here.
I ran because he had a
Oh,
gun.
now you got it. Now you got it. Get
I
my
ran because he
shit.
had a gun. I came back
You ain't
because she had
doing
my
nothing.
backpack and I had her keys.
You still came back after you supposedly pointed the gun at you.
Fucking pretty.
Well, I had to give her the keys.
Hey,
She
you could
had my
have
backpack.
called us, we would have given you the
I don't have a
key.
phone.
Stop it now.
Your boy had a phone.
Tell your pretty bitches
Right?
to quit being
Your
accessible.
boy had a
Huh?
phone. Yes or
How
no?
about you just
Tell
listen to
your
what
pretty
we're trying to
bitches
tell
to
you?
quit being
So let's
accessible.
put it on the phone now.
Hey,
Tell your pretty bitches to quit being excessive.
I'm asking you nicely
Quit being
to
quit being
quit
excessive.
talking.
The word is
You don't need excessive
the
for it.
word is excessive.
Because guess
Not
what?
Excessive.
What
Excessive.
is excessive?
Excessive.
Means you're doing it a little bit too much.
No, you're
than
using
what
the
you
word.
need to be doing.
We're
Not-
we're trying to
Excessive.
keep
you
you calm.
need to get a book.
If you would just
Get
stay
a book.
calm, this wouldn't be happening, would it?
Get a book.
Stay calm, and this won't happen.
Get a book. Guess what? Y'all did the wrong thing to the wrong person.
I have the these guys.
That ain't gonna happen.
Get your pussy foot out of my neck.
Okay.
We have instructions.
All right, thank you.
And instructions. Stand him up. If you want to stand him up, I can put the hobbles above his knees.
Hey, we're gonna stand you up. You gonna be cool?
Of course I'm gonna be
I think
cool.
it's
Are you sure?
Put your pussy boys
I'm asking.
Yes,
on
ma'am.
a leash. Put your pussy boys on a leash.
He's in custody
Stand
right
up.
now.
I'm telling you right now. If you do anything,
He's in-
stand
Anything
up.
stupid,
He's under
huh?
arrest.
Stand up.
Smart.
Stand up.
Be smart. Then help me up.
What do you think I'm doing?
That's all he's doing, ma'am. He's just.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, how pretty are you, huh? How pretty are you?
Start that. Don't you dare try to. You're
Ma'am,
trying to
he's
spit.
resisting.
Hey, get a spit mask for this right now.
I got him in the car.
Spit mask for what?
We got him in the car.
I got him.
Do you have?
We're bringing them down, but no.
Spit mask for
We
what?
have one in the car.
Yeah.
So
Hey, put him on the
Spit
ground.
mask for what? What do I need a spit mask for, huh?
You're gonna try and spit on me? Take him back down.
Huh?
Take him back down.
You want to be a
Sit on the ground.
I'll go get one.
Now I'm gonna spit mask.
How pretty?
Don't you dare ever try to spit on me again.
Junior, your mom.
Nothing.
Junior, your
Calm
No.
down.
How pretty are you?
Calm down.
Not yet.
Stop.
Calm?
Stop.
Calm?
Stop.
Calm? Or do you need to be calm?
Tell him his
bitch?
trying to
mom.
get
Tell
you
him
to
his mom's
calm
trying to
down.
talk to him.
You need to calm down right now.
I've been calm.
No, you haven't.
I've been calm for the longest.
How about you just sit there and breathe, man?
Then let me up.
I'm not gonna let you up.
Then let me breathe.
How about you just breathe, man? Calm down.
Right. How pretty.
Take a nap or something.
Can we lift
What do
those
you
up
call
here?
them?
Pussy.
Put a suitcase them all the way down?
Oh yeah, hold that. Hold them here.
Alright.
I give my arm.
Got him?
I ain't got no problem with that.
Hey, bro, I'm down to help you. But if you're gonna
down
sit
to
here,
help me?
yeah.
Are you any
Nobody's
supervisor?
doing
I am
nothing
a
to him,
supervisor
sir.
on duty.
What's your
right
name?
now.
What's your name?
Sergeant
Nobody
Gamby.
does that.
Gamby?
Yep.
I'm
Then
asking
you
you
putting
one,
a
I'm
sense of
asking you one
force
more
on me,
time.
Gamby.
No, I'm not.
Alright, so
Look, tell me to calm down when I'm already calm.
listen up, Doc.
I've been calm for the
This
longest.
is what's about to happen.
I don't care about what's about to happen. What you're about to do is what's going to let me up, let me out my cuffs,
We're about to
and
take
then
you
let me
downstairs.
home. For what?
We're about to take you downstairs.
For what?
You're gonna go to jail
For what?
for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct?
Yeah,
Is that what you come up with?
that's what you
Oh
did.
my God.
What's that?
You have spit in your car?
No.
You just need to sleep it off tonight, man.
Oh no. Y'all need to sleep it off, you pussies. Oh, y'all just like pussy. Oh, Mom.
10:53.
They're being pussies. That's what's up. Mom, they're being pussies.
Nobody
Right
talking
behind
out
the
there,
ear.
man.
I'm telling you.
No, my mom telling me to
Yeah,
fucking.
then calm down.
Right now.
No, you ain't. You ain't saying shit. My mom telling me shit, nigga. You're such a
Not
pussy.
happening. Nope.
You a pussy.
You've proven
No, man,
you
not
can't
right
be an
now.
adult and you can't stay calm.
I can't be an adult.
Now my safety is at
Being
risk
an
right
adult.
now.
I can't hear you with him
Adult.
yelling. I'm sorry.
Nigga, get the badge off you and be an adult,
Are
pussy.
you threatening me?
No, you being a pussy.
I'm just holding you down, that's it.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, they being pussies up here. Hey, Mom, you need to see this. They being pussies.
No, it's not my fault.
I asked to help somebody else, and somebody asked me to help them out, and that's what I did. I helped somebody out. He said he had a gun pulled on him. Put a gun. All right, put a gun on me. Put a gun on me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These badges need to be helped.
He had it.
These badges need to be helped. These badges need to be helped. They need more pussy in their life. Because I feel a shaker on my
The
back.
passenger door. It's not gonna be in
I
the
feel
back.
2 shakers on my back.
The last time I saw
They
one,
feel
it
like
was the passenger
rattlers.
door.
Oh yeah. This is Arizona. They're home of the rattlers. Come on, let me up.
It's not happening.
Throw me in jail.
Well, where's your car?
I didn't turn my face to you. I turned my face to speak my peace.
Call fire. They have. No, they don't have one.
How pretty.
Let me go.
Hey, but Mom, they being excessive. Very excessive.
We're just trying to get you to calm
You
down.
a goddamn lie.
You didn't sit.
Sit still means sit still.
means sit down.
Means stand in your position
No.
and not move
It means
an
sit down.
inch.
It means sit down. It's holding you in the way.
But I sat down, I sat still, I sat straight, comfortable.
336.
So get some feet.
Right on 33.
This is me and my body.
Don't you start. Stop it.
How pretty are you?
Stop.
No, ma'am. Somebody's coming down to
Stop
talk to
it now.
you. You can't come up here, please.
Quit.
Of course children
You
need to
can't,
see
man.
this. Children
Somebody's coming
can
down.
see
Give
this
us a
support.
second.
No.
Especially being disrespected.
You just need to
Of
Nobody's
course.
gonna take them. Relax,
I'm
okay?
trying to tell you.
Up and still.
Stay. We're the ones trying to get you to calm down.
Oh, calm
Just chill out.
Alright, how pretty. Get your feet out my wrist.
That's not going to happen because you keep trying to get up.
Oh yeah, y'all need somebody to throw me in jail.
It's coming.
Alright, can I get up?
No.
Can I breathe?
You're talking.
If
You're
I want to breathe, just
No, I'm
fine.
Yeah, you are.
I'm suffering.
Thank you.
Nobody's doing nothing, man. Relax,
Oh, you
okay?
put a spit mask on?
I'm telling you right here, nobody's doing
So you
anything
don't
to
spit on
him.
us.
I don't need to spit on you. Who the fuck do you need to be there? You need to disrespect you like that. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
If you would just stay calm, this wouldn't be happening.
How smart is that? He only asked for a spit mask because he thought I was going to spit on him when I'm speaking the truth. Huh? Huh? How that works? Oh,
Take
yeah.
him down?
Let me straighten it up. Yeah, straighten it up. Thank you.
So,
They've been
put it
disrespectful.
on my car.
Mom, they've been
Bring it in there,
disrespectful.
put it down there to keep them bags.
Very
Go
disrespectful.
down. We'll go down
Hold
with
the
you.
elevator.
Calm down.
I've been calm.
No, you haven't. I heard how you talk.
There you go, Junior.
Because they are doing what they're doing and being disrespectful with it.
There you go, Junior.
How can you talk nice to these pussies? Huh? How can you talk nice to somebody that's trying to disrespect your law? How can you talk nice to somebody